Hello friends, my name is Shivam from Devops Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Okay, that's all for my side. Okay, we will do one more topic, that is on Rancher. And we take 10 minutes break and we can do the Rancher. Will it be okay? You don't have any work now after 5. Should I deploy the Rancher? It will hardly take 10 minutes. Let's do it, huh?
Yeah.
Rancher is a Kubernetes concept. Okay, it's a Docker. How to install Rancher? It's like a container. Install Rancher server. Single, you can do it with single container, non-HA. Okay, you can bind it with MySQL databases. All the options are there. This is for 1.6. We will go to 2.6. Version 2.6. Deploy Rancher server. Manual installation. Just you need to run this Docker run command. And this will install Rancher. It run as a container only. You can run this on your worker node or master machine wherever you want it. It has been deployed. It don't take time. If you do Docker PS also. Yes. There is a Rancher which is running. No problem. I don't need to bother about that. Main thing is let me access it. I will go home HTTPS.
Your mission number is different.
I think Advanced. Login. This low. I will need to create a password. VOPL. I agree. Continue. Save the URL. Close it. It shows you that local rancher is. I can click on add cluster. If you want to add Amazon EKS cluster or other cluster, if you click on other cluster, like if you have some other cluster, you can add it. You can create a directly. You can create a node also. If you have EC2, Azure AKS, Amazon EKS, Google, anything, Linode, vSphere, DigitalOcean, it is supporting everything. I have other cluster. My own cluster, I called it. If you want to some define roles and everything, you can define it. Click on create. So if you want to import an Google Cloud Engine, you have to select this. I will use this call insecure. If you get an untrusted self sign, like currently I don't have SSL certificate, so that is the reason I have to use this line. Copy it and paste it in your master machine. And I think create it. And click on done. Just importing my cluster. Showing in pending state, it takes a little bit of time. Waiting for API to be available. It will take a little bit, 2-3 minutes to do it. And give me 1 minute, I'll join back. Just maximum 1 or 2. Yeah, my cluster is being added. I think so. It has imported it. Good. I will add more cluster. I will add non-site cluster also. Mon, can you run this on your master machine?
Yeah, sure.
So that we will understand that Rancher can manage multi-color cluster.
Yeah, I ran.
Then I will add Chola, can you add this on your master machine? The second one I have sent it.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
And
Gopal, actually, see,
the
I
username
created,
is admin, password is Gopal. You can also access it. Yeah, one tell me. The URL I have given, username and password also given. You can go inside, like how much CPU, memory, how many ports, unhealthy status. You can see it from one single dashboard. Not only that, if you go to nodes also, you can see the node status, all the nodes you have attached from 2 core, how much code you are using it. Storage also, you can see it from here, like we have created volumes. Namespaces also, you can see it from here. I can add member who can manage my cluster. You can enable add. Catalog is one of the best thing you have it. Like Helm library and it has been added. You can add more catalogs also. Monitoring also you can do it. It is disabled, but you can enable it. So it will automatically deploy the monitoring tool. This CIS scan means it will give you the vulnerability on your Kubernetes cluster. Okay. But it is available with Rancher Kubernetes means it's available with only if you take the paid version. If you want to create an storage also, you can do it from here, add class or import an YAML file. So Rancher is being used for managing multiple Kubernetes clusters.
yeah, Gopal. I have created a three YAML files and I have ran. Previously, it was showing in deployment, Kubernetes get deployment all one by one. But actually, meanwhile, I closed my master node. So again, I opened that. I checked that kubectl get deploy. Now it's showing 0 by 1. Is there any issue? If when I'm creating, if I close that.
Rancher consume little bit of memory and storage, and like you can see that it is showing some health issues. Okay, once you deploy it with Rancher, okay, those status stop coming. Okay, you need to go to the Rancher dashboard, go to Explorer.
My question is regarding the full stack application.
Full stack application is running now. CTL get deployment. No. Did you deploy Rancher?
Hello.
Yeah. Did you deploy the Rancher board? Hello.
For that in I deployed that in my not master node. It's in worker node.
Node. Yeah. It has consumed so much memory and RAM that it's not fine.
No. Actually, when I created earlier, see, I applied that mysql.yaml file. I applied that front end, back end, everything. Okay. So at that time, it showed in the kubectl get deploy step, so available and everything showed by one, and available is 111. Okay. Meanwhile, I closed my master node. I opened again. I restarted. That means rebooted that. So at the, from that again, I type fire that command kubectl get deploy. Now it's showing 0 by 1.
It takes little bit time to start again. It will take little bit time to start again. Once have you shut down your reboot your machine, na?
Yeah, I rebooted. Yes.
Yeah, it takes a little bit time to reinitialize all those services.
As you told morning, can you share your videos like in other advanced videos or something you told? From basics to expert. Okay.
You can see that how many resources are running, how many namespace ingress. Rancher dashboard is so beautiful they have created. How many deployments are there, pods are there, nodes, services.
Deployment means we deployed that in Rancher, is it? That is called deployment, right? We deployed, so number of deployments there we can see something like 6. Means we deployed a six clusters, is it?
No, we do 6 deployment pod and the Nginx deployment, polling app, MySQL, all those things we have deployed now.
Yeah. For total we did 6. In mine we did 3 plus 1. Okay.
Plus, if any deployment has not been working, some issues is there, you can see it.
Like the rancher will provide the GUI level access, like that to get the errors easily. To manage all clusters and nodes and everything, we can manage from here.
Multi-cluster management, you can do it through that.
Yeah. Get YAML files in Rancher.
Yeah.
Oh, it sounds good, yeah.
Everything is there. Even the pod level YAML file also it shows you. Not only that, I want to go inside any of this pod also.
Can we create? Can we deploy from here? From
Yeah, you
rancher
can
as well,
deploy.
right?
Yes.
Okay.
If you want to go have a shell inside any of this pod also, you can do it. If you follow this Helm, this thing, just me and open source, here you will find all the video related to Kubernetes. One of my team member is talking. Like we started with series kickstart, kubeadm, HA, MySQL cluster. You want to install ELK stack. What is externally TCP? You can do it. If you look into the playlist, you have rancher with a lot of more things like K3 as rancher with ingress controller, persistence, storage, volume, rancher with RKE, web UI. Everything is there. There is a huge playlist. I have put it in the code. Can you see everyone see the rancher dashboard?
We cannot because we logged in our office laptops.
What happened to your personal laptop?
Actually, I logged in today. I logged in my office laptop. Why? Because some people are pinging me continuously, so I need to respond them.
Okay.
That's why I opened my laptop.
Chola, can you access it? Anyone who is having in personal laptop?
I cannot access it, Gopal.
Okay, no problem.
Hey Gopal, I have a question about uh, started using that, Helm. We have the Helm and the config map concepts also. So is it in advanced training
It's an highly
or
advanced Helm charges. I have
oh
put
yeah.
that
No, what
video
about
on
config
Helm
files?
charges.
Like actually need to take everything from config. So in Docker also.
So any resources or any, I just went to the Kubernetes, site, and they have a config map really well documented, but just if we have video how we can do that would be a great
Just give me a
set.
Here it is for config now. I have put it, okay? Got the video?
Yeah, cannot open, but
YouTube is not open. Store it somewhere. In your office laptop, you cannot open YouTube also.
even you can't open Facebook.
No Facebook, no Netflix.
No Netflix, nothing. Just
because you are
use
in
it.
because you are in the investment industry, nothing, no personal email, nothing. I mean, you're lucky that in Fidelity you can do something, but in Vanguard, we just have restricted even with the iPhone and network itself. So when you are in the building, you cannot communicate outside with your phone. That's strict.
Okay, no problem. So, did you got a good idea of what is Kubernetes now?
Yes, I was now just put into the practice now.
Yes, you have to practice a lot.
So Gopal, just convey this to your cloud team. So provide this lab till next week, 2 days. Even yesterday night also they told it's not, they didn't provided that. Actually, I tried to practice, but they haven't provided.
But site we can in offshore, can you spawn on from the cloud any of the machine and can do it?
Yeah, actually, I'm new to Fidelity. I joined in the 4 months back
Oh,
only.
do you
So
have a
yeah, iCloud.fmr.com. Is it C2C mission? You're telling to bring
yeah.
one C2C.
So Gopal, can there are so many machines. There is a specific machine that you mentioned. Can you show me, like, can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, you need to.
So Chola, if you don't mind, can you show me that how to launch
Yeah,
a
yeah.
one C2C mission?
Yeah, there is a cloud.fmr.com. I'm on that right now.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Okay, sure. So we have the cloud FMR, right? This is the test environment and all these productions. There is a vendors. Vendors are nothing but the machines that you choose. whatever you
Go to
want.
development.
Okay. I have to
No,
go.
but you are part of that LDAP group, so we have to request that LDAP group team member like leader. So if you request that, you have to give demonstration why you need this.
Yeah, so this is a specific, this is actually the production vendor, right? The production network firewall, and then and this is an open stack. Wow, this is on premise, but
They have OpenStack. You people have OpenStack. Okay, deployed. It is built on top of OpenStack.
yeah. But this is a
Okay. I
production. We
understand.
have two sites, OMA and RTP. Okay, and then this is where production is restricted.
This is a Linux server only at OpenStack. Do one thing like create a free tier in Azure. You get $200 credit. You can use.
I'm familiar with AWS. I will create an EC2 machine.
Yeah. If you're well aware, you launch an EC2 instance and do it.
Yeah, with select an environment, it will stay, get it, and you just select everything at
No, I had
That is the problem.
actually
He will
when
not
I'm
have
learning
access to
this.
it. He is in New York. He is in offshore, I think.
When I'm learning that AWS, I have a bad experience with that. I'm not aware of that billing and everything, so I
Uh,
used every service. So they charge me $300.
really,
but you
seriously?
can reverse it.
Yeah,
You just can,
I didn't pay that. I reach out to customer care, but I'm a student, so I'm not aware of the services and not. So that I closed that account. I didn't pay.
very bad, man. You should pay $300. He can give it to his wife.
So what did you do in Fidelity? You inside the Fidelity
No,
you did?
no.
No,
What
no,
he has,
actually, it's a
Oh,
free account. There is a free tier account.
if you
oh.
go to AWS and Azure, they give you free tier account. Like if you go to AWS free tier, they will give you. And in Azure also, you have Azure free tier also.
Yes, Gopal. The thing is, they will be giving you the free tier account, but lot of services they will be,
Charge.
terms and conditions will be there for that.
Yeah,
Those are,
Yeah.
that is the
how they
reason
will
we
provide
called it.
everything free?
Yeah,
Well,
there is a star which is put in between. Okay, star. Okay, so you have to use, like if you go to Azure free tier, you will get $200 credit. They are not going to charge you anything after you spend $200 of credit. They will ask you, do you want to go for pay as you go account or you want to suspend your account? Azure, they
Correct.
have that
It's
concept.
pay as you go. Yeah.
In AWS, they directly debit. And put your debit card, like Indian debit card, if you put without that OTP, they cannot charge you also. Don't put credit card.
Azure. So come again in Azure. What Azure?
In
What?
Azure, create a free tier account. They will give you around $200 credit. Once you use that $200 credit, okay, they will ask you that do you want to go for pay as you go account? If you say
Oh,
yes, you need to enable so many clicks, then only it will be enabled. And otherwise, they will suspend your account.
oh, that's nice. But AWS is not like that. First of
No,
all,
no,
you have to give your credit card or debit card.
no. In Azure also, they will take your credit card only. They don't take debit card. Okay. They will take your credit card, but they will not deduct anything. They will give you $200 credit. You use it. After using that $200 credit, they will send you an email. Even in your console also, it will say that do you want to convert it to pay as you go model. If you don't select that option, automatically your account will be suspended.
That's good actually. But in AWS, it's not like that.
Yeah,
Yes.
AWS is different.
Yeah.
I should take care of that much. They say that I'm giving you $200 credit. You have to use it in 1 month. If you are not using it, they will transfer it on your account, that $200. Okay. And then I will give you my account, transfer it on my account also.
What about Google? Google is providing any free tier account?
I don't know. I never used Google Cloud Engine.
Is
It's like horrible. It is horrible because Google, I don't know about billing. Whom to contact, I don't know because in either Azure also.
Yeah,
Okay, in
but I
Azure,
got from many people. So Google is faster than the Azure and AWS.
they don't have problem of servers like AWS. Everywhere it is Google, man. Like if you shut down your internet connection to check that internet is working or not, first we open Google only nowadays. Previously, I used to open Yahoo or Cloud. Everything is Google, man. Like if you sleep nearby your phone, also it tracks that how much time you have slept.
Yes.
Is it right?
Yeah. How it's working actually? Do you have idea on that?
No, man. But it keeps track of
No,
your
I
sleeping
think
pattern also.
what I understood that even when you sleep, you're not touching that phone. So depending upon that on and off time, it's taking that maybe.
That is also, and it has a sense. Like nowadays, if you buy all the Android phones, they come with a sensor also. That face recognition. If you have
Yeah.
an Android phone with face recognition, it understands that how much time you have used the phone. Not only that, like if you like the iPhone 11, 10 XR, 11 and 12. Okay. Like if it is ringing and I just take it in my hand, it will automatically become silent. Those type of AI they have built it.
There are many features, but we are not using that. See, I got from my friend that if you are restricted one area, see, if you want to put silent mode in office, so if you add one time that a location name as office, so whenever you are going to office, it will go to silent mode automatically.
Yeah, yeah. It goes.
So you don't have any videos from your lectures. Don't forget.
Hmm?
You haven't recorded your videos. Like we continue, if you see that your videos maybe we,
Yeah, my
continuous will.
colleague who is doing it,
Okay.
teach them, let them do it. I'm busy with so much training. That is the reason.
Oh,
Like I take care of corporate and I have like a huge project which is I'm working for almost 1.5 years, like converting that mainframe into an open stack environment. So I tell like I have around 5 people who work with me on different DevOps platform like Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, Chef, Puppet. Some of them work on microservice also. I have a small company of 5 people. There is a guy whom we give for recording and showing the demos and upload it in YouTube so that like, people can learn it.
So, Gopal, I have a question. So we have all the machines, Linux and everything is there. But
Just install
you need to
Docker,
be
just install Docker and Kubernetes on top of it, like we have done it on the first.
okay.
Just install Docker and Kubernetes on top of it. So,
But because the C2C machines is built manually, like we have to give all the details of operating system and all those things on that. So do we have certain things that the basic things that we can edit it and go from there.
No, just take one send to his mission and follow whatever he said today from past 3 days. Okay, sometimes we'll face like maybe that mission doesn't have some packages. At that time, you have to download that.
Yeah, that's the reason I'm asking that, if we have the requirement of the machines, right? So we can build it that way, so we can easily.
Just required CentOS system and install Docker and Kubernetes on top of it, like we have done it.
Okay,
It's
so
better that you launch it in Amazon or somewhere and do it. That will be much more better.
Is there
Compared to
any
using
particular
your-
requirement that machine have these many CPUs? This much RAM should be
the
there.
master machine required 2 core processor and 4 GB of RAM.
Okay. What about Node?
Node 1 core processor, 1 GB of RAM is more than enough.
If it is not have a 2-core processor, 4 GB RAM, is it won't?
No,
It
1
won't
core
work?
processor, 2 GB or 1 GB RAM is enough for Node.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.